Hello dear friends. So in today's video we're going to have a look at security posture. I'll just try to explain a little bit more what it means, what it does and how can you work with it. It's a part of the series for this Microsoft Defender for Cloud videos. So yeah, let me try to explain this concept. In general, security posture is like overall state of your security inside the company, which includes identity and access management, right? So who has access to what resources? It includes the encryption configuration inside of your environment. It includes network security, also threat detection, compliance and governance. If you have some compliance requirements within your company, for example, adherence to GDPR or HIPAA, ISO, some of the ISO 27001, so things like that. That's important to take into consideration when you work with compliance, and also your workloads to see how they are protected. There is some inventory parts here. So that's security posture. Let's look a little more into security posture. If I click on explore your security posture, it gives a bit more information to me. So you see, I do not have any Azure or GCP environments. And of course, this is not a productive subscription. This is a test for enterprise visual subscription. So here you see I have the overall secure score. I have one management group in this environment and one subscription. I have some recommendations and some resources which are healthy, unhealthy. So let's have a look at the recommendations. So what recommendations I get from Microsoft for my environment. You see, I have here specific recommendations. Of course, I have MFA enabled, which gives me this 10 points for the secure score and puts me into a green area, which is kind of cool. Then I have this encrypt data in REST. So this one, I do not have it enabled on all of my resources. You see this manage access and permissions. This is completed for like one of the resources. And then I look at this restrict unauthorized network access. Enable auditing and login. Apparently in my environment I have no login and auditing enabled, which kind of doesn't give me any points for this score. And then enable enhanced security features. This is not scored at the moment. So then I have this implement security best practices, which is also not scored, and protect applications against DDoS attacks. So this is also not scored. It shows completed. So you see, you get an idea. Basically, it's kind of a recommendation. So for example, if I look at this recommendation, encrypt data in transit, then you see I have some more detailed recommendations, for example, for function apps or like secure transfer to storage accounts. Basically you just have to go a little deeper and look through each of these recommendations in your environment and to see which, what can be done to improve your security posture. Of course, sometimes, when you are too secure, then it could be a bit difficult with high productivity. But in general, Microsoft gives some meaningful recommendations that you should consider. And yeah, that's kind of where we go with security posture, right? You go against to Microsoft Defender for Cloud overview, and then you navigate to security posture and look at the recommendations. And Yeah, if you used multiple clouds, you would see also different resources if agents were installed in those clouds. But in my case, that's not the case. But you get an idea, where to look at, where to start with. So thanks for watching. Have a great day and stay healthy. Bye bye.